almost done. Good job, big girl. And she had the flu 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like I said, she was coughing long before then.
Mm-hmm.
Just constant dry cough.
Oh, she had it before the
Yeah.
flu too?
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, she
Yeah.
did. Yeah, that definitely didn't come from the flu. Mm-hmm.
All right, my love. I'll get somebody in here.
All right,
What'd you
then.
say?
Tell her thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, so cute. You can sit there. It's okay. Stay there.
Well, what you doing? Stay right there. The doctor's coming. The doctor coming in to see you. That was the nurse. She just get your vital signs.
Okay. You all right? Are you sleepy?
Wave your hand at your mom and daddy. Wave your hand.
Oh, that's so cute.
You got anything to tell them?
What you want to tell Mom and Daddy?
And what about your daddy?
I love you, Daddy.
Jelanique and
I love you,
Angel Marie.
Daddy. I love you, Angel Marie.
And who
And
else?
who else?
Jelanique?
What's your older sister?
Jelanique? Or Hopi? Which one you want to say?
Hopi.
Okay, you can say Hopi. Ouch, that hurts, sweetie.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you
That's
can't
the
sit on
doctor's
that.
too. You can sit on it.
No, she cannot. Oh, no, she's not supposed to. I put it like that.
See?
Now you see how I feel, right? Okay. You can get on now.
Did you say it's nice?
I did.
What did you say? How does that chair feel?
Nice.
Nice.
I'm
Well,
warm.
you're going to put it on when we go outside. Okay? You put it back on there. How old are you?
4 years old.
Next month.
You have about, actually,
You
have
got about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
What, 3 weeks?
No, I don't even think it's
It's the 8th.
Huh?
It's the 8th today, just or 15th.
Okay, or whatever.
Where's the air coming from? Air.
Up there, that's the vents up there.
But there's a ladder up there. There's a ladder up there.
Oh, ain't no ladder.
Yeah.
Girl, I don't see no ladder.
Gore.
Cynthia Gore.
That's right. That's good, girl.
Cynthia Gore.
What's her name? Cynthia.
Cynthia.
What's Big Mama's name?
Cynthia.
Cynthia what?
Cynthia.
What's her last name?
Cynthia Girl.
No, that's not mine. That's somebody else's name.
Our last name is Marshall. Frederick Marshall. Okay. Guess what your mama's name used to be?
Frederick Marshall.
Yeah, and this is Cynthia Marshall. And your mama used to be Sharita Marshall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
And now
And then it's Talicia.
Well,
your name
Sharita
is
Talicia Marshall.
That's your
That's
mama's
what it
name.
was. But then
That's
she
what-
got married to your
But
daddy.
my mom is switching names.
Yep, because
She
she
is-
got married. She married your daddy.
She said it.
Serena Talicia.
That's your mama's
Hickson. Hickson, because that's your daddy's
my
last name.
name
Yes.
is Talicia. Me.
Record that.
My name is Ariel Hickson.
Okay. You got another name in there, too.
What?
Big Mama can tell you what the other name.
I'll have to look it up.
Oh.
I don't know.
A mermaid.
That's
mermaid. Ariel is a
Ariel
mermaid
with the
name.
mermaid name. You got Ariel. I can't think.
Oh,
of it.
Elisha. That's his mom.
Elisha.
Yeah, that's
That's your daddy's mama's
Mama
name.
named Elisha.
Stop hitting me on the head. Girl.
Oh, you with Big Daddy? Okay, it's okay.
They just tested her, give her a COVID shot. Not a shot, COVID test. And they're tickling her nose and all.
That was the COVID and the pneumonia.
And the pneumonia, okay.
Really?
I know she had two.
Yeah. Did they say COVID too?
Yeah.
Your nose feel better? No, you be quiet. So you get a spanking.
All right, your mama gonna get you.
Don't
You
do
better
that.
cut it out. Dad gonna get you.